Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Zonda crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in zondacrypto.com and click on enter. Now you will be directed to official homepage of Zonda Crypto. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see a login link. Click on it. After that, you will be directed to a login page where you need to type in your valid email address associated with your Zonda Crypto account. Now type in your password on this field here. You can click on this I button to view your password to make sure that you have typed the password correctly. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget your password button, which is right below your password field, and follow the procedures to recover it. Now click on continue button to log into your Zonda crypto account. If you want to change your language on this website, you can click on this button, which is at the top right corner of your screen, and select your preferred language from here. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.